Where are we, Fred?
Where are the chickens?
We're gonna go visit. We're visiting the chickens. That's right. Where are they? Over there?
Right there. Right there. Over there. Right there.
Oh, there's a bunch of them, huh?
Yeah. Kind of, but
Do you like chickens? Chickens are funny, huh?
They are funny.
What kind of noises do they make? They make you laugh?
Yep.
What sound does a rooster make? I wonder if we'll see a rooster. I wonder if he'll make a sound. I don't know, I don't see a rooster. Do you see one?
Yeah, a little bit. I see a little bit. Right there.
Oh, I don't see one. Oh, maybe that's a rooster.
I see rooster. I hear rooster. I hear rooster.
Should we go see the pumpkins?
Yep.
Oh, okay, let's go see the pumpkins.